barbers, if you guys learned a thing or two from this video, please like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Appreciate you guys for watching. So today we're doing a medium high fade. We're starting off our initial skin guideline with our wall detail trimmers. These are one of my heavy hitters right here. Blah da da. Now I'm using the cocoa trimmers and getting rid of all the hairs underneath the initial skin guideline. I usually use two different trimmers with two different blades because different hair textures cut and grip better than others on certain blades. So right now I'm making sure I'm getting rid of all the hairs all around the head so I can go over it with the balders. Now that I got that area cleared off, now I'm going over it with my fabulous balders. As you can see, I'm going in circular motions just so I can make sure I'm going against the grain and I'm not missing any hairs. Next, second guideline, clipper lever open, going up 1/2 inch width all around the head. Keep that same depth, that same width all around. One guard, clipper lever open, go up another 1/2 inch width. All my guidelines are 1/2 inch width increments, whether it's a taper or a fade, at least 1/2 inch width. Now it's time to get rid of that bottom line created by that initial skin guideline. Clipper lever closed. Go up 1/4 inch increment. Open it a 1/4 inch increment. Another 1/4 inch increment. You can always go back and play around with the lever when it's time to do the detail work. Next, clipper lever all the way open. Next, 1/16 guard, clipper lever open, small strokes consistently all around the head. Go over it multiple times. Don't miss a spot. Make sure you have good lighting. Make sure you use your mirrors to check your work. Don't be scared to bring that fade up. You got more room than you actually realize. Next, hitting the back, same steps. Follow the same steps as the side. You can even create your guidelines a little wider in the back so you can stretch the fade. And when I'm fading the bottom initial skin guideline, I'm using 1/4 inch increments until the clipper lever is all the way open. Making sure I have a comb or a brush in my other hand to get rid of excess hair. Next, 1/16 guard, clipper lever open. Next, close lever halfway. Make sure you go over the areas several times. Take your time, be patient, play with the lever. Next, 1.5 guard, clipper lever open. Now it's clipper over comb technique. This is called the sculpting technique. Make sure you don't miss any hairs. Flat top comb, clipper lever open. Go with the shape of the head. Next, working on the beard with my Cocoa detailers. Make sure you blend the beard with the fade. Keep the beard as full as possible. Don't press too hard on the skin or it'll irritate your client's skin and possibly cut them. That's a rookie mistake, man. You don't want to do that. Blah, da, da. Keep that beard as full as possible. Don't take it too down. Don't make it too thin. Just enough to make it look super defined. Make sure you're using the corner of the blades when you're going over the arch of the beard. Make sure you grab your client's head with the other hand in case he moves. Again, when you're going over the arch of the beard, make sure you're using the corners of your blade only. Now recline your client back, line up underneath the jawline. Make sure it's even on both sides. Do not cut your client. That's a rookie mistake. This is a $300 haircut for the right barber watching right now. If you guys like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Blah da da. Next, use your balders to go over the neck area. Now straight edge razor. Make sure you're pulling the skin the opposite direction you're stroking with the blade so that the blade doesn't skip and cut the client's skin. Keep the blade flat on the client's skin. Go over it multiple times, but be gentle and not to press too much, and don't apply too much pressure on the client's skin so you do not burn the skin. You can exaggerate by pulling the skin. It's okay, you're not gonna hurt the client's face. Now go against the grain. Now go over the lip area. Make sure your client stretches the skin so that you can have enough room to get in there with the blade for that crispy edge up on the mustache. Blah da da. Next, my client wanted some enhancements, so I sauced them up with the Kiss. Enhancement by Kiss. With my airbrush. Make sure you use a postcard or a business card for your guideline. Blah da da, what you guys think? What you guys think, man? If you guys learned something in this video, if you guys liked it, if you guys have any questions, please like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate you guys for watching my Ambitious Edge YouTube channel. We got more in the works. Stay tuned. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Appreciate you. Love you. Much love. Ambitious Edge. Blah da da.